In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Inventory. We'll cover 3 common ways to get quantities into your system: setting up opening stock for new items, updating current stock with an adjustment, and increasing stock through your purchasing workflow. I'll explain what each option is for, so you can choose the right approach. First, open Zoho Inventory and head to the Items module. If you are creating a brand new item and want to define the quantity you already have on your shelves, click the plus new button. As you fill out the item details, scroll down and check the box labeled Track Inventory for this item. This is essential. Without it, Zoho won't maintain on-hand counts. Next, enter the opening stock to reflect how many units you physically have as of your start date, and add the opening stock rate per unit, which is the cost used for valuation. This ensures your quantity and item cost are initialized accurately from day one. Save the item and you are all set with a clean starting point. Next, if you need to update current quantities for an existing item, maybe to correct a count or account for units you found during a quick check, go back to Items and click into the specific item. Choose Adjust Stock. Set the adjustment type to Quantity. Select the appropriate warehouse if you use multiple locations, then enter the quantity you want to add and save. This immediately updates your on-hand balance. Use this when you are correcting counts or reconciling discrepancies. Keep in mind, stock adjustments are ideal for operational fixes rather than recording purchases, because they don't capture vendor costs or purchase history. Finally, for routine restocking through purchasing, create a purchase order, convert it to a bill, and record the receipt of goods. As soon as you record the receipt, Zoho automatically increases the stock on hand for the tracked item in the specified warehouse. This method ties quantities to a vendor document and brings in costs properly, keeping your inventory valuation and purchase records aligned. If you don't see quantities update, double-check that track inventory for this item is enabled on the item itself. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.